Now, over the past couple of decades, particularly since the Women's Health Initiative, it's become popular to use compounded hormone products for HRT. Now, this has been promoted primarily based on a belief that they may be safer and also perhaps that they can be customized to fit a patient's individual needs. Regular hormones that we prescribe are regulated by the FDA, and the FDA requires labeling on all these products that includes specific warnings that were developed after the Women's Health Initiative was initially released. Compounded hormones, on the other hand, are not regulated by the FDA, and so there is no labeling required. So patients might sometimes be misled to think that those risks don't exist, when in fact we have to assume that those risks would apply to compounded hormones just like standard or traditional hormones. In fact, because of the fact that the compounded hormones are not regulated by the FDA, there may be concerns in safety related to the different forms and mixtures that are used that have not been clinically tested or government approved. And there has been cases where there has been under or overdosing of the components of the hormone therapy because of that lack of oversight. For example, some prescribers will prescribe a progesterone that is used topically. It's a natural progesterone used topically, but there's no great evidence to show that the progesterone used topically is absorbed well enough to provide the endometrial protection that is needed with HRT. There may be a place in some patients for compounded products, but we should probably think about FDA-approved products first, and patients should be fully informed about the differences in those products and the risk and benefits of each one. Another issue or angle is that patients are often interested in natural or bioidentical hormones. Now, these are certainly available in FDA-approved products, but I try to remind patients that while the concept of a natural or bioidentical product sounds good, they're not necessarily proven to be any better or safer than other hormones that we use.